A question about Gentiles or Noahites. What are the rules for them? Must they comply in the same way?
That's a good question.
Not explained, but almost superficial. I would want to know some more, a bigger explanation or more detailed explanation.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I first one disclaimer. I learned halachas of Noahites, but it was a long time ago, like maybe 4 or 5 years ago. So I don't want to, and I don't remember, like nobody asked me this question since. So the thing that I do know, that they have to be modest. Do they have to comply with the same modesty as Jewish women? I'm not sure.
For example, my question is, it is enough for a Noahide or Gentile woman or girl to wear loose clothes, and does it count as modest, although it's not a skirt?
I think so. So I mean, the skirts, right? Some are not tight, as you said, loose clothes. And the one difference that I know for sure, they're not obligated to cover their hair, even
for example, here in my city, girls don't like to dress provocative, and so they wear trousers, loose trousers. Mm-hmm. It would count as modest.
It is better than a short skirt, I would say, but I don't want to say for sure because I'm not sure that what is a dress code for Noahites. So if you want, I can research it, but I don't want to answer because I'm not sure.
So, but in conclusion, we can assume that Gentiles or Noahites are obligated also to be modest.
Yes,
they cannot be. They will be sinning if they are immodest.
100%. So basically, when women are immodest, so they are making men to sin, right? That they provoke men to sin. So are they obligated to have? I mean, when our sages, I'm just going logically. I'm just speaking out logically, right? So when our sages say that the knee have to be covered because with buff knee, it can provoke the man thinking, right? Or when it's open here, like in front, also provoke the man thinking. But if it's closed, so I would say that based on this logic, not to provoke men. So I would say the same rules would apply to Gentile women or Noahites, except hair covering, like basic law. As I said, not tight, loose clothing. That's based on this. I think it would be like guidelines, approximately.